Welcome to SJ Panel.
Good evening, everyone. We'll wait for another 3 minutes and then we'll start the call. Please bear with us. Okay, so who who all do we have? Hello, Navneet. How are you? Hello, Shasri. Imanta. Good evening. Ashish, good evening. Let other people join and then we will start. Can everyone see my screen? Just message yes or no. Okay. Thank you very much for joining the call. My name is Rajan Sharma. I'm the founder of this organization called Sample Junction, who runs this SJ Panel, which is an online survey platform where you join as a panelist, you fill your profile, and as soon as you join, you get some incentive points for that. Once you fill your profile, you get incentive points for that. You take surveys. Every survey, if you are able to complete the survey till the end, you get incentives for taking that survey. And once you refer your friends or family members, if they fill all the profiles and complete the survey, you will be able to get the incentive for referral. So there are various ways you can get incentives on this portal, and you can redeem those incentives in n number of ways. It includes the Amazon voucher and various other ways. We are working with one company and our bank so that we can also give you an option to pay through UPI. So please bear with us, and hopefully by the end of next week or by the start of next week, we would be able to announce the launch of our app, because we have given it to Apple and Android for review at the moment. So we are doing some internal tests, and then we'll ask everyone to join the app and register on the app so that you can get real-time survey notifications on your phone itself. You don't have to log into the laptop and take the surveys. Okay, is everyone comfortable with English, or you want me to speak a mix of it? Unmute yourself and you may speak, or just send message about your preference. सब इंग्लिश में comfortable हैं, or okay, Usasri is okay with English. Okay, so I'll use primarily English and mix of both English and Hindi. तो आइए चलिए देखते हैं कि thank you so much for joining this call. And as you know, when you join this call, you get a participation bonus for joining this call. And every month, हम 3 winners चुनते हैं. The first one is Profile Prodigy Award. The Profile Prodigy Award is for the person who has filled all 8 profiles in this month. So this is for the month of June. As you can see my screen, last month जो winners थे, Navisha Handa, Neha Singh and Hemanta Rajbanshi. I think Hemanta is also on the call. Okay, so हम अभी काफी और क्लाइंट से बात कर रहे हैं ताकि और नए नए सर्वेज आपके लिए लेकर आए, जहां पॉसिबिलिटी अच्छी हो जाए आपके सर्वे कंप्लीट करने की, एंड यू अर्न रिवॉर्ड्स थ्रू देम. तो लेट्स सी who is the Profile Prodigy winner this time. So there were 1601 people who updated their all 8 profiles in the month of June. Let's see who is the lucky winner, and The prize amount is 300 rupees and 7,500 points. Whosoever wins it. Let's see who is the lucky winner. Mr. Computer, let us know who's the lucky winner this time. So it is Nikhil Yadav from Rewari, Haryana. Okay, congratulations, Nikhil. तालियां हो जाए निखिल के लिए भाई. Good job. Keep taking surveys. इसी तरीके से अब आपने पैनलिस्ट अपने प्रोफाइल भर दिया है. So now you will start getting more surveys matching to your profile. इसीलिए हम आपसे बोलते हैं आप अपना प्रोफाइल हमारे साथ उस पर भरिए वेबसाइट पर, so that हमारी टीम आपको आपसे रिलेटेड एप्रोप्रिएट सर्वेज भेज सके जिसमें आपके चांसेस बढ़ जाएं उसको क्वालिफाई करने के, उसको कंप्लीट करने के. सो कांग्रेचुलेशंस वंस अगेन. ओके, लेट्स सी हु इज द सर्वे सुपरस्टार अवार्ड विनर. एंड इन फैक्ट इफ यू सी all the three winners have redeemed their incentives on 9 one person has redeemed it on 19 June and two of them have redeemed it on 20th June. So okay, good for them. So let's see. By the way, what is the minimum, Amar? We have our panel manager Amar on the call. Mr. Panel Manager, let us know what's the minimum threshold for redeeming the incentives.
It's 5,000 points.
5,000 points, which is equivalent to what?
200 rupees.
200 rupees. Okay. तो आपको 5,000 मिनिमम पॉइंट्स रीच करने हैं, तब आप उन सारे पॉइंट्स को रिडीम कर पाएंगे. सो थैंक यू सो मच अमर. थैंक्स फॉर शेयरिंग द इंफॉर्मेशन. Let's see who is the survey superstar for this month, and that winner will get 12,500 points, which is equivalent to 500 rupees. And survey superstar is given to the people one of the person who has a lucky winner among all of those who have completed the surveys in the month. So इस month 10,265 पैनलिस्ट थे जिन्होंने one or more सर्वेज कंप्लीट किए. सो लेट्स सी इस मंथ के विनर कौन है. सो इट इज अंजलि राव फ्रॉम लखनऊ, यूपी. सो कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशंस अंजलि. आई एम नॉट श्योर इफ अंजलि इज ऑन द कॉल और नॉट, बट आपको बहुत बहुत मुबारक हो इस बात की, बधाई हो. एंड ऐसे ही सर्वे लेते रहिए, कंप्लीट करते रहिए एंड अर्न करते रहिए. और जल्दी ही हम आपके यूपीआई क्रेडिट भी लेकर आ रहे हैं जिससे आपके अकाउंट में डायरेक्टली हम यूपीआई के थ्रू भेज सकें, so that you can utilize it in other ways as well. Okay, congratulations once again. तालियां हो जाए इनके लिए. Good job. Let's see who is the most active panelist this month. Most active panelist दिया जाता है उस व्यक्ति को जिसने सबसे ज्यादा अटेम्प्ट किए हैं इस मंथ. सो जिन लोगों ने अटेम्प्ट किए थे सर्वे, 89,543 लोगों ने अटेम्प्ट किए हैं सर्वे इस मंथ. इट इज somewhat sad कि बहुत लोग कॉल पे आना प्रेफर नहीं करते हैं, but they keep taking surveys, which is more important. It's okay, it's their choice, but we encourage more and more people to join on the call so that they come to know कि क्या चीजें नहीं आ रही. Okay, and Sonali, you were very active as well, but there was some. Let's see if you are the lucky winner. Let's see. Let Mr. Computer know and select the person who was the top survey attempter. Let's see who is the lucky winner. Mr. Computer, let us know, please. It is Usha Sri Dasari. Congratulations, Usha Sri. I think Usha Sri has won it second time. उषा श्री, are you there? आप प्लीज अनम्यूट करिए और अनम्यूट करिए और प्लीज थोड़ा एक्सपीरियंस अपना शेयर कीजिए सबके साथ। आपने सेकंड टाइम मेरे ख्याल से विन किया है।
Yeah, sir, I won second time.
गुड जॉब, गुड टू सी यू। तालियां हो जाए आपके लिए। आई अप्रिशिएट ऑल योर पार्टिसिपेशन। सोनाली पूछ रही है मेरा नंबर कब आएगा, तो ओके, दैट्स ओके, नो इश्यूज। प्लीज एनीवेज कीप सेंडिंग, कीप टेकिंग सर्वेज, एंड इफ यू फेसिंग एनी इशू, just reach us at support@sjpanel.com and our team will be able to contact you and resolve your issue. Okay?
No, sir.
Thank you so much, everyone. Thanks a lot for your time. And keep taking surveys because your opinion matters. And when the information or the feedback that you share on surveys, इससे हमारे clients को information मिलती है जिससे वो better products and services हम सबके लिए बनाते हैं। So it's another way of contributing to the community and the nation towards building future products and services. So keep doing that, keep taking surveys because your opinion matters. Thank you so much. Namaskar, Adab, Shabba Khair. God bless you. Take care. We'll see you next month.